In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transactional emails. Transactional emails are the messages your system sends automatically, like order confirmations, shipping updates, or password reset notices. They're not marketing blasts. They serve a specific purpose, so clarity and reliability matter more than anything else. To get started, open the transactional area in your platform and go to Email Templates. This is where all your reusable designs live, so you can manage, update, and keep them consistent over time. Next, click Create Template. This opens a fresh workspace where you'll define the basics and build the content. Think of it as your canvas for a repeatable message that your application can send at the right moment. Now enter a template name and a subject line. For the name, choose something descriptive so you can find it easily later. Include the purpose, and if it helps, a version or language tag. For the subject line, be direct and truthful about what's inside. Transactional subjects should be short, specific, and free of hype. If your system supports placeholders, you can reference key details like an order number to help recipients recognize the message instantly. Keep it straightforward and avoid anything that could look like spammy punctuation. With the basics set, design your email using the editor. Start with a clean, branded header so people immediately know who it's from. Follow with a clear greeting and a concise explanation of why they're receiving the message, stated in plain language. Present the essential details, like dates, totals, or next steps, prominently and as text so they're readable even if images don't load. If your template needs an action, add a single primary button with a short, specific label. Keep the layout simple and mobile-friendly with generous spacing, a readable font size, and a single column structure for easy scanning. Maintain brand colors and consistent styling, but always favor legibility over decoration. Add alt text to images, ensure strong color contrast, and use meaningful link text so the email is accessible to everyone. As you write, keep the tone helpful and neutral, and double-check copy for accuracy. If your editor supports variables for dynamic content, place them carefully where they add clarity without clutter. When everything looks right, save the template. Saving captures your design and makes it available for your system to use wherever this message is needed. That's all there is to it. Go to Email Templates, create a template, name it, set a solid subject, design clearly, and save. You now have a reliable, reusable transactional email ready to support your users.